Hello there. Today we'll be looking at some user interfaces. Well, without further ado, I'd like you to, unfull screen the video. You'll probably see a user interface because you're looking at one. Now, if you look carefully around, you'll see text, images, and everything else. And if you look a little bit more carefully, you'll probably notice that everything is a rectangle. See that thumbnail over there? Well, it's a rectangle. The thing is simple. We need to draw rectangles. I'll be using OpenGL, but you can use Vulkan or anything else, really. I'll also be using a thing called instancing. That means I'll define a rectangle in vertices and just tell OpenGL where to draw that rectangle. Now that we render a rectangle, we can go to make the shader for said rectangle. We can pass a value to our instance that chooses whether we draw a texture, draw text, or just a solid color. Now that's done, we can move on. Now, there is no more reliable concept in programming than stealing other people's ideas. The way web pages are built is kind of convenient. So with just simple XML files, you can build complicated UI. For this to work, I kind of needed to implement every single element that is going to be used, which was, well, painful to say the least. Now, having given the proper excuse to end this video right here, you'll have to wait for the next part. The topic of which will probably be optimization and how and how very unpleasant it is.